Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class. Today I will explain you chapter number 10, active and passive voice, past tense. First of all, let's know about voice. Voice is the form of a verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence does the action or is affected by it. What is active voice? The voice used to indicate that the grammatical subject of the verb is performing the action or causing the happening denoted by the verb. For example, the boy hit the ball. Here, active voice adds clarity and places responsibility where it belongs. Active voice can make our writing more vivid. Now, here let's see passive voice. The voice used to indicate that the grammatical subject of the verb is the recipient of the action denoted by the verb. For example, the ball was hit or the ball was hit by the boy. If the action is more important than the agent or if the agent is not known, to connected ideas with different clauses or sentences more clarity, passive voice is used. Here the active and passive verbs are given of past tense. In simple past tense we have to use took in active voice and it will become was taken or were taken in passive voice. In past continuous if we have the verb was or were taking, then it becomes in passive voice was being taken and were being taken. And in past perfect tense we have had taken an active verb, then it becomes had been taken in passive form. Now let's see the example of simple past tense. They took the kids for a walk, and the passive voice of this sentence could be the kids were taken for a walk by their moms. Let's see the another example. Kevin took a picture. And now the passive voice of this sentence could be a picture was taken by Kevin. Some examples of past continuous tense are given here. They were expecting a guest. The answer could be a guest was being expected. The second one, the chef wasn't cooking the meat. The meat wasn't being cooked by the chef. The third one is the women were cleaning all the blinds. The answer could be the blinds were being cleaned by the woman. The number 4 is they were watching the newsiest videos. The newsiest videos were being watched. And now let's see some another examples. Who was taking care of the baby? The passive voice of this sentence is by whom was the baby being taken care of? Number 6 is why were they picking the flowers? The answer is why were the flowers being picked? And the last one is were they painted the room when the accident happened? The answer is was the room being painted by them when the accident happened? And now let's see the example of past perfect tense. They had moved the table. The table had been moved by them. Dr. Richard had saved Sylvia's life. Sylvia's life had been saved by Dr. Richard. The Americans had discovered another planet. Another planet had been discovered by the Americans. Hospital staff hadn't accepted the injured man. The injured man had not been received by hospital staff. Jerry had received the check just in time. The check had been received by Jerry just in time. So dear student, it was the explanation of the chapter 10 Active and Passive Voice part 1. I hope you learn very well.